Hi mga kayakan, welcome to my vlog at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Kung bago pa kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe. At mga kayakan, ang content natin na napaliguan ng mga puppy dog.
Yes, mga kayakan, maliligo si Cassie ngayon at saka si Bella. Meet our Bella. Meet our Cassie. Wow, Cassie and Bella, it's time to take a bath. Sujin. Their mommy is there walking outside. The two puppies was playing. Wow, they too much excited. We are preparing from them for take a bath. Cassie and Bella, it's time to take a bath today. Today is Sunday, Eastern Sunday. Look them how they play. They too much happy. Bella and Cassie, they play together. How's it? Cassie, yeah, this is the Cassie. Meet Cassie and Bella. Bella and Cassie. This is almost 1 month old. Cassie and Bella. Too much biting. Yes, kayakan. This is their house for Bella and Cassie. It's time to take a bath. Meet Cassie. Cassie! Bella, come here, Bella. This is Bella. Both of them lady. Cassie and Bella. Bella, come here, Bella. Who is Bella? Bella, strong lady. Cassie. Now, it's time to take a bath. Okay, meet them. Hi, Mateo. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Mateo. Yes, kayakan. It's time to take a bath. Okay, Bella and Cassie too much itching because 3 days they not take a bath. Now it's time to take a bath. Mga kayakan, look at them. Okay, first Bella. Bella, take a bath now. Too much itching. Dali, naliligo na sila. Oh, they too much. Sorry for the noise. See, they too much excited. Bella, come here, Bella. Call them. Bella.
Bella, Cassie.
They crossed the road because our bakod not finished yet. Because it's Mana Santa. Hindi kami nakakuha ng mga kawayan sa bukid. By tomorrow, inshallah. Look, oy. Look, Bella is there. She wants to take a bath. Cassie too much excited. Sorry for the noise. The pig is too hungry. Hello, mga kayakan. It's time to take a bath. Look them. They're too much excited, especially Bella. So first Bella. Bella now is time to take a bath. Wow. She loves swimming actually. Yes. They not cry at all because she loves swimming. Yes. See?
Oh my God.
See, yes.
Bella.
Say hello.
Hi.
Look at them. Oh, it's so much happy. Look, 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 look. Bella is not crying. She wants swimming. Now they take a bath. Wag ulo. Yan. Iiyak yan pag may ulo. Huwag mo na basahin ng ulo, iiyak yan. Oh? Yan. She's feel cold.
Ayaw na.
Binasa mo kasi yung ulo kaya umiyak. Now, she's feel cold actually.
Hindi talagang papaligo namin.
Ayaw tabas eh, ayaw tabas eh.
Dapat din natin to tabasan.
Para mawalat ko to.
Dapat sabon.
Yes, meron lang po siyang puto ng manok. Ano yan? Pulgas.
Dapat sabon nga to ng panlabay para mawala talaga.
Oh, why you put there? Look how they clean Bella. Bella, Bella. Wow. Sorry for the English Carabao. Okay, we'll try to speak English so other nation today so they understand. Look, 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 look. Wow. It's to behave and behave ng ating puppy today. Bella is too much behave. Yeah. She's not cry at all. Okay, let's see. Yes, next now is Cassie. Wow, Cassie. She loves swimming. Wow. They love shower at all. Wow. Cassie and Bella too much behave. They want always take a bath. Don't touch the tail.
Pati ulo na lang.
Babad mo muna ng sabon. Wow. Look them. Wow. But Cassie is too lazy. Why are you lazy, Cassie? Yeah, because already afternoon today. Too cold. Yes, the brother and the sister is normal only. Sometimes the little bit of fighting is normal. There's a part of childhood. Take Bella's. Bella's running inside. Still not finished yet. Didilaan niya yung sabon. That's a poison. Look the blackbird. Anyway, mga kayakan.
Ano yun?
Later, that is a galuso. Yes, he have a lot of itching. Itching because too much chicken. Therefore, the chicken was panabong. You know the chicken panabong. 2 chicken was fighting and 1 win, 1 loss. The chicken panabong. Yes.
Chicken panabo.
That's why the puppy affect them from pulgasi. Anyway, mga kayakan, this is today. That's it for today. We'll end the video. Tomorrow we'll resume the new video. Okay. See, Bella is running outside. Okay.
Ako natatapusin ng aking vlog. Update na lang sa aking bagong video na upload. Kung bago pala kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe.